The police are trying to ascertain whether the quadruple shooting in Gordon Town, St. Andrew, Tuesday night is a reprisal attack for the murder of a man in the community last Friday. 2 of the 4 people shot have died. Kalisha Williams visited the area and filed this report.
The day after 4 people were shot in the hilly terrains of Gordon Town, St. Andrew, 2 died and another is in critical condition in hospital. When we arrived in the community Wednesday morning, tension. Residents told us they are in fear.
It is really a sad story. It made me can't sleep. It made me hungry. It made me feel like, I don't even know what to tell you. Like it's a different world we're living in now, different time, everything. And I don't believe this thing should happen like this.
The men who died, 27-year-old Raymond Palmer, otherwise called Raji, and 30-year-old Demar Foster, otherwise called Demi, were known throughout the community. Now the corner of the main road, just meters away from the popular Gordon Town breakaway, stands as a grim reminder of the tragedy.
I think them should do something about this crime thing, patrol the area more. Police supposed to do more patrolling and everything.
More surprising for residents too is the time of the incident. It took place around 5 o'clock Tuesday evening. Head of the Jamaica Constabulary Forces Corporate Communications Unit, SSP Stephanie Lindsay, told us how the incident unfolded.
A group of persons were gathered at a location in Gordon Town. We understand somewhere close to where they have the breakaway, where one of the deceased operates a stall. So persons were there. And whilst there, a group of men, we understand, came up and fired at them. At the end of the shooting, 4 persons received gunshot. One, we understand, died on location. The other died whilst undergoing treatment. And we have 2 currently being treated for gunshot. One, we understand, is more severe than the other.
She explained that Demar Foster may have been the target of the shooting.
There are no suspects so far, but as the police try to establish a motive, they're trying to see whether the incident is linked to the shooting death of Gladstone Walker in the community on Friday.
But it's very early in the investigation, so whereas they have some leads that they are following, they don't want to speculate, they want to check some more. So in my last conversation now, they will be looking over all of the information that they have.
SSP Lindsay explained that in recent times, they've seen a resurgence of violent crimes in Gordon Town. Now an appeal for residents to speak up.
Whether they are seeing strange persons coming in the community, whether they are receiving threats, it's very important that if persons are threatened, then they should report it to the police so that we can intervene.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.